Cybersecurity is not just about protecting data, it is about making serious money. Whether you are a complete beginner or a seasoned professional, the opportunities in cybersecurity are massive. In this video, I am going to break down exactly how you can turn cybersecurity skills into a high-income career, side hustle, or even a business. Stick around until the end because I will reveal the most lucrative paths, real salary numbers, and how you can start immediately. Cybercrime is expected to cost the world over $10 trillion annually by 2025. That is bigger than the entire global drug trade. Companies are scrambling to hire cybersecurity professionals, and they are willing to pay top dollar. Let's break down why this field is one of the most lucrative career paths today. High demand. Every business, government, and individual needs cybersecurity professionals. Severe skill shortage. Millions of unfilled cybersecurity jobs mean companies are desperate to hire experts. Remote and flexible work. Many cybersecurity jobs allow you to work from anywhere in the world, providing unmatched freedom. High salaries entry-level roles start at $70,000 to $90,000 per year, while experienced professionals can earn well over $200,000 annually. With cyber threats rising, organizations are increasing their budgets to protect their systems, ensuring cybersecurity experts are highly valued and well compensated. Let's talk numbers. If you want to build wealth in cybersecurity, these are the job roles that will get you there. Cybersecurity analyst. This entry-level position pays anywhere from $70,000 to $100,000 per year. Your job is to monitor networks, analyze threats, and ensure security protocols are followed. Penetration tester. Ethical hacker. If you love hacking into systems and testing vulnerabilities, this is your role. Salaries range from $90,000 to $150,000, with top professionals earning well over $200,000 per year. Cybersecurity engineer. These professionals design and implement security systems, earning between $120,000 and $180,000 annually. Cybersecurity consultant. Consultants advise companies on best security practices. The pay? Anywhere from $150,000 to over $300,000 per year, depending on experience and clientele. Incident responder. When a cyber attack happens, these professionals step in to mitigate damage. They earn between $100,000 and $160,000 per year. Chief Information Security Officer, CISO, the ultimate cybersecurity executive role, with salaries ranging from $250,000 to over $500,000 per year at major corporations. Not interested in a traditional job? You can still make six figures or more by freelancing your cybersecurity skills. Here's how. Freelance penetration testing. Platforms like Upwork, BugCrowd, and HackerOne allow ethical hackers to earn $50,000 to over $500,000 per year through bug bounties. Security audits for small businesses. Many small businesses lack proper cybersecurity protection, offer security assessments, and charge anywhere from $500 to $5,000 per audit. Cybersecurity writing and content creation. Writing articles, ebooks, and online courses can generate passive income. Some cybersecurity content creators make $10,000 or more per month just from online sales. Cybersecurity consulting charge businesses on an hourly or per project basis. Top consultants make $300 per hour or more. Selling cybersecurity tools. Create and sell your own security software or tools. Developers of popular security apps generate tens of thousands of dollars per month in recurring revenue. Want to make money while you sleep? Here are passive income ideas in cybersecurity. Create an online course. Teach cybersecurity skills on Udemy, Teachable, or Skillshare. Some top instructors make over $1 million per year. Write an ebook. A guide like How to Get Into Cybersecurity can sell for $20 to $50 per copy, generating thousands of dollars per month. Develop security software. Building tools like VPNs, password managers, or encryption software can generate recurring revenue from monthly subscriptions. Start a YouTube channel. Sharing cybersecurity tips and tutorials can bring in revenue from ads, sponsorships, and memberships. Successful cybersecurity YouTubers make over $100,000 per year. Affiliate marketing for cybersecurity products. Recommend security tools and software and earn commissions on sales. Now that you know how much money you can make, let's talk about how to get started. Follow these steps. Learn the basics. Use free resources like TryHackMe, Hack the Box, and Cybrary. Get certified CompTIA Security Plus CEH, Certified Ethical Hacker, or CISP will boost your earning potential. Build a portfolio. Gain hands-on experience through projects, GitHub contributions, and bug bounty programs. Apply for jobs or freelance gigs. Start small, build credibility, and scale up. Network with industry professionals. Join cybersecurity communities, attend conferences, and connect with mentors to expand your opportunities. Cybersecurity is one of the most profitable and future-proof industries today. Whether you want a high-paying job, a lucrative side hustle, or a thriving business, the opportunities are endless. Start learning, start applying, and start making money today. Subscribe for more high-income strategies. Comment below if you have questions, and I will personally respond. Additionally, if you would like a video on a specific career path to make money, let me know in the comments section.